Are you tired of the same old hair advice that doesn't quite hit the mark? Today, I'm unveiling the secrets to 4C hair care that no one else is talking about. These mind-blowing tips will transform your hair game and leave you wondering why you didn't know them sooner. Let's dive in and unlock the hidden potential of your gorgeous 4C curls. Tip number 1. Fermented rice water treatments. If your hair feels weak and brittle, try using fermented rice water as a weekly rinse. Fermentation enhances the vitamins and amino acids in rice water, making it super effective for strengthening hair and promoting growth. This tip increases hair elasticity, reduces breakage, and adds shine. Plus, it's a natural and cost-effective solution. Tip number 2. Alkaline water rinse. If you're struggling with dryness and lack of moisture retention, rinse your hair with alkaline water after shampooing. Alkaline water helps balance the pH of your scalp and hair, enhancing moisture retention. This keeps your hair hydrated for longer, reduces frizz, and promotes a healthy scalp environment. Tip number 3. Chaby powder deep conditioning. For those finding it difficult to retain length, incorporate chaby powder into your deep conditioning routine. This traditional African hair care secret strengthens and lengthens 4C hair, reducing breakage, increasing thickness, and promoting long, healthy curls. Tip number 4. Hemp seed oil for scalp health. If you have an itchy and flaky scalp, massage hemp seed oil into your scalp twice a week. It's rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which soothe and nourish the scalp. This reduces inflammation, promotes hair growth, and prevents dandruff, ensuring a healthy scalp environment. Tip number 5. Silk protein infusion. To combat lack of strength and elasticity, use products infused with hydrolyzed silk protein. Silk protein penetrates the hair shaft, providing strength and reducing breakage. This increases hair's tensile strength, adds a silky smooth texture, and improves overall manageability. Tip number 6. Pre-poo with aloe vera gel. If tangling and difficult detangling sessions are your problem, apply aloe vera gel as a pre-poo treatment before washing your hair. Aloe vera has excellent slip, making detangling easier and preventing breakage. This reduces tangling, enhances hair softness, and provides a soothing effect to the scalp. Tip number 7. Mango butter sealing. To prevent loss of moisture after washing, seal in moisture with mango butter after your leave-in conditioner. Mango butter is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which help lock in moisture. This provides long-lasting hydration, reduces frizz, and leaves hair feeling soft and nourished. Tip number 8. Herbal tea rinses. If your hair is lackluster and dull, use herbal tea rinses such as chamomile or rosemary tea after conditioning. These teas contain antioxidants and vitamins that enhance hair health. This adds shine, stimulates hair growth, and improves overall hair vitality. Tip number 9. Pineapple juice scalp treatment. For slow hair growth and thinning edges, apply fresh pineapple juice to your scalp once a week. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that stimulates hair growth and strengthens follicles. This promotes faster hair growth, strengthens edges, and provides a refreshing scalp treatment. Tip number 10. Amla and Brahmi hair mask. If you're dealing with hair fall and thinning, create a hair mask using amla powder and Brahmi powder mixed with yogurt. These Ayurvedic ingredients are known for their hair strengthening properties. This reduces hair fall, thickens hair strands, and enhances overall hair health, giving you fuller, more resilient curls. There you have it, beauties. 10 game-changing tips for managing 4C hair that you won't find anywhere else. These unique solutions will revolutionize your hair care routine and bring out the best in your natural curls. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive hair care secrets. Until next time, stay fabulous and embrace your beautiful 4C hair.